Want to edit videos for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube on your computer? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to download the CapCut desktop app. Now let's get started. CapCut is a free video editing software available on iPhone, Android, PC, and Mac. To download the desktop version of CapCut, first open your web browser and go to CapCut.com. Now click Download. My button says Download for Mac, but if you're on a PC, it will say Download for Windows. Your download should start automatically. Once the download is complete, click on the download at the bottom of your browser window. This will open the CapCut installer. Follow the instructions on your screen to go through the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to start using CapCut. Click Start Creating to begin your first video editing project. You can find more tips and tutorials on the CapCut website under the Resources section to help you get started. That's all it takes to download and install the CapCut desktop app. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.